Hi everyone, this is Kimo Vlog. Si Pilipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Again, ko na reaction video ang Donbell compilation. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. Happy New Year everyone! So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. G!
But
Ay, ano
I
to?
think, like, not just relationship-wise, but everything, it should
Wait,
be a
anong
priority.
tanong? Ang galing nito talaga. Wait lang, bago ba to? Wait,
Oh, yes.
sa panahon ngayon, maingay ang mundo, priority mo pa din ba ang love? Ay, ayan
I
ha.
think, like, not just relationship-wise, but everything, it should be a priority. I think love should be
Hmm.
everywhere.
Oo naman, kailangan priority. Well, it depends.
Ay,
Maingay
bago.
yung mundo, I don't think the world should define kasi your version of
Oh.
love. So, even if ang dami nangyayari sa mundo, dapat iba pa rin kung sino ka. So, don't let others affect what you really think. So, I still think priority mo dapat yung love. I think may
Hmm.
love for anything. Love for someone, of course. Love for your craft. Love for your passion, your friends, your family. But love should always be a priority.
Ah, yes.
Ang hirap ng ganun kasi, well, unless yun yung gusto yung dalawa. Hindi ko alam eh, parang, will that last for a long
Will that
time?
last?
If you are to look for love, it should be something na long-term sana. So, hindi ko alam. Okay lang naman. It depends. I mean, everyone has their own perspective, right? But for me,
Ang talino na talaga magsalita.
It has its pros and cons, I guess.
What's your take?
Situationships,
Pros and
I think,
cons.
those are
Wala
the
kasing
times
label
where you
eh, no?
actually get to know someone. It's the perfect opportunity for you to get to know someone. But at the same time, not committing yourself.
yung hindi gusto yung pamilya ko or vice versa.
Ay,
Oh, someone who's not supportive of my work, that's one. And
Okay.
two is pag hindi honest.
yes. Bye. Thank you. Next talaga tayo dyan sa hindi honest. Kasi kapatid
I
ng
think
sinungaling ang magnanakaw.
for
Cheers!
me, kapag yun naman yung taong para sa'yo, hindi mo siya hihintayin. Kasi ikaw, siya mismo maghahanap sa'yo. You'll find each other. You'll find your way to each other.
Kailangan mix of both siya. Hindi pwedeng hanap lang ng hanap na hindi ka nag-iisip. Hindi rin pwedeng just keep waiting and not doing anything. I think part of the process is being patient, but you also have to put your step forward if you want to, put yourself out there. So, kailangan mo rin ipakita na interested ka. or
Ano, bakit parang silang dalawa talaga full of substance talaga sila magsalita,
But there's
no?
also a lot of waiting and
Very full of
patience.
substance.
Because you will still meet a lot of people. And I think the most important thing is, alam mo kung ano yung hinahanap mo rin. You invest your time. That's actually the number one thing you can give kasi hindi na babalik yun. Kung binigay mo na yung minuto dito, yung segundo, yung oras dito, forever na yun, di ba? So, yung material object, given yun, pero hindi naman yung
How do you invest on love?
time talaga. Yun yung biggest investment.
Bago ba to,
That
Mi?
always, it will all be worth it, di ba?
All the acts of love, I guess.
Oh,
Five
yeah.
acts of love, diba? I think that's one thing, how you invest on love and at the same time, siguro being vocal that you'll always be with that person and support them no matter what.
Okay.
Right time to pursue love. I think the right time is when you fully accept and love yourself and you fully understand that you won't be able to find acceptance within yourself by looking for someone else.
When you yourself
Bakit
are able to love
ganon?
yourself, I think
Best
that's the
in
best time to
substance
pursue
sila,
love.
Mi.
And love
Cheers!
first
Igitera.
exclusively.
Asan ang gitera? Gusto ko ganyan din ako magsalita.
Hindi mo
Ems.
mamamalayan unless you're there that you actually do crazy things for that person. If I
Okay.
really love that person, I would do anything to make them feel loved.
Ay, tapos pala yun. Okay, what's next? Ay, napanood na natin yan. Yung mga bago. Wala ba silang bago? Alam ko may mga bago. Ay, ano to? Ay, hello. Diyos ko, Don Romantico talaga siya. May magko-comment na naman dyan. Eh. Oh my God, datinginan. Oh, eh, nagpapa-baby siya. Bakit ngayon ko lang ito nakita? Saksi ang langit sa akin. Sa atin pala, saksi ang langit sa atin. Ganun pala yun. This was 2023. Alam mo, i-search ko siguro yung Donnie Pangilinan. Ano ang bago kay Donnie? Tingnan natin. Ay! One day ago. Ganito sila mag-ano? Si Belle. Ay, hello. Si Liam. Si Liam yan eh. Ay! Hi! Ayan na. Ayoko. Ayoko sabihin ko ano yung sa utak ko. Bahala kayo. Wala ba kay Belle? Oh. Oh my God. Mahingang mausin ko. Okay. Hala, lalaking-lalaki si Donnie, no? Kay Belle lahat yan, ni? Totoo ba? Sino yung girl? BTS yun na Roger. Ay! Oh my God. Ano ba? Ay! Ay, kasama grabe. Fan na fan. Sana kaya ko yan.
September, October, November, December.
Fan na fan. Si Belle kaya, ano kaya? Nasa abroad pa din ba si Belle?
Man, fuck all that makeup, you fine. Better tell all them niggas you mine. She $1 way more than a dime. When I'm with you, I get nervous.
And with that, the 2025 season comes to an end.
Ay, ito. Happy New Year, Don Bell. Hindi ba din sila magkasama? Charis. Ano ba? In-expect ko pa naman may mga video ako makikita magkasama sila, pero okay lang. Ah, ano to? Tingnan natin si Belle. True. Oh my God. Lalaking lalaki talaga siya. So check. Okay, tingnan natin si Belle. Ay, ito sa vlog niya to, nagawa ko to ng reaction video. Si Belle Mariano, hashtag Belle Mariano. Tingnan natin, bakit? Bakit wala masyadong ganda? Ito to, 23 hours ago. Tingnan natin to. Bakit nag-loading? Okay. Ay. Ay, cutie! Cutie Belinda! Baby girl! ay! Cutie mo naman dito, Belle. Okay. Ay! Wait, what? Fanboy mo yung... Ano to? Diyos ko. Ito, Val? Ah. What? Belle is such a baby. Donnie, sa'yo lahat yan? Totoo ba? Kay Donnie lahat yan? Ala. What's next?
Kapamilya, highest grossing Filipino
Ah, meet greet by...
I think
Ay, napanood na natin to. Ito, ng Christmas. Grabe, napakagaan ng vibe talaga. Pag tinitingnan mo si Belle, I don't know, sobrang gaan niya talaga. Sobrang gaan talaga sa puso. Sa totoo lang. Okay. Ay, anyway, so this is for today's video. We're done by compilation. This is Kitty Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye.